In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to set up two-step verification on your TikTok account. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it harder for hackers to gain access. Even if someone steals your password, they won't be able to log in without the second verification step. To turn this on, simply head to TikTok. You want to tap onto these three lines and select Settings and Privacy. Now, on the Settings page, head to Security and Permissions. You will see this option of two-step verification. Head to it. Now select at least two methods where a verification code can be sent in case on any login. There are 4 options to choose from. Now once done, tap on Turn On. You can either enter your phone number for recovery or skip. Same applies to your device, and the two-step verification will get enabled successfully. For any unknown login attempts, a verification code will be required to proceed. Well, that's how easy it is to enable two-step verification on your TikTok account. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.